Y'all see that? Ooh. Oh.
You like them palms on your ass.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it feels like it's been an eternity since I've sat here and just talked to y'all, me to you. Yeah, it's been a minute. I know. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do a wash and go on a full head of hair for the first time. Y'all know I've been going on my undercut for a year at this point, but more importantly, I kind of just wanted to sit here and talk with you guys, kind of connect. I know I have a lot of new followers. I know it's been a while since I've kind of shared what's going on with myself, what's going on in my life, all of that. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, so you should just go ahead and grab you a snack, you know, go ahead and get comfortable, listen to me talk about whatever, because that's what this video is about. This was supposed to be some sort of slick hairstyle y'all probably seen on Instagram if you haven't followed me on Instagram. But yeah, I slept on it, didn't cover it up, so it's probably a mess. I kind of put this on to cover it up while I showered so it wouldn't get wet, even though we're about to wet it now. Anyways, I warned y'all. This is the new growth. I have a shitload of gel in my hair. As much as I wanted to use Curlsmith for this video, we might as well go ahead and switch it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream. I like this product because it's heavy and it does a good job of defining the curls. Think Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing, just not as heavy. Wow, at this point, I have so much hair, y'all. So this was an old twist style. It was an old sleek puff, like I mentioned earlier. My hair isn't really all that dirty. I just put a lot of gel on top, but I can still feel that it's really, really moisturized. So I'm hoping I won't need to use any gel. I would like to avoid it. So let's get into my life. So I'm gonna just say life is good. Life is great. Life is what you make it. I've accomplished a lot in the 8 months that I've been here. Is it 8 months? Wow, that was way off. In these 6 months that I've been here. So I'm not gonna sit up here and pretend like COVID has not impacted my life at all, but I just kind of feel like over the past 8 months, I've just been able to make the most of my situations. And I think personally, I went through a little low point, went through a dark period. It wasn't like anything terribly bad or depressing, but I kind of feel like I went through a little bit of maybe like disassociation, and maybe I just lacked a connection with myself. I don't really know where that is stemming from, but that's how I felt. And then on top of that, I felt lonely. Like, I saw a post on Instagram that kind of differentiated feeling lonely and being alone. So me personally, I don't mind being alone. I enjoy my own company, but not feeling lonely, and that's just how I felt for a little while. I had a lot of questions for myself, and I feel like there were conversations that I needed to have with myself and find resolve for, rather than discussing that with other people or even expressing that energy to an audience. In retrospect, just like over the past 8 months. It kind of picked up when I did move to Atlanta, but just over the past 8 months or so, I have reclaimed my purpose and I know my self-worth. And I feel like that's important for everyone, just reminding yourself of how capable you are and that it starts with you. It starts with me, it starts with loving myself, it starts with enjoying the process, enjoying the journey. We are feeling rejuvenated, thanks to God. But I hope I'm making sense. So I'm starting Vlogmas, and this is technically Vlogmas Day 1. However, every video for Vlogmas is not going to be a vlog, okay? We're operating Vlogmas this year under my rules. Someone asked about dating. So I'm still single, but I don't know. I just got finished ranting about my life, and I think through past experiences and relationships, that's also affected what I've learned about relationships. Like, you know, just casual and dating. I think I've definitely learned to be more understanding and like just more patient. The people you meet in your life are like mirrors of you, and there are characteristics and traits that you may observe in them that are actually inherent in you, whether it be something you like or dislike. I saw a quote and it was like, embody what you would like to attract. So I try to kind of set the standard. The relationship with myself will set the standard for the relationships that I have with other people, in a sense, you feel me? In a lot of relationships, I feel like if it's not adding value to things that I already have for myself, I don't want it. Why are you interrupting my greatness? I have this independent streak in me, and I've been kind of finding my own sense of direction, so we will see what happens in the future. Someone asked what kept me going to get to where I'm at now, and what is it that I wish to accomplish. So I think it starts with my mindset. I've always been like a go-get-it type of person. If it's something I wanted to do, I did it. If it's something I wanted, I got it, you know? But I'd be lying if I told you that's how I felt all the time. There are times where I've felt very uninspired, and you know, I kind of get through that by reminding myself it's okay. It's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel like you're losing your drive as long as you don't let it consume you. Kind of feel like I've said that before, but I mean, it's fact. But another thing is, I kind of use the pain of, losing a parent to keep me going too. I've always been someone to turn my low points into lessons. Use that to transpire myself into, doing bigger things. And since I do have a following, I kind of want to show people just how strong and capable they are. And so part of that is just through setting the example. So that's what I would like to. Someone asks, would you talk about or make videos on hobbies that you don't show on YouTube, like gaming, etc.? So I'm not too sure about gaming, but I mean, I'm not saying that I never will. But making videos on other talents, like, yeah, that's what I want to do. So I want to order a full digital keyboard this month. I also used to be really into art. Like, some of my OG subscribers may know that, but I kind of drifted away from that. Fun fact, art is what I wanted to pursue before YouTube kind of took off for me. But the only issue is I want to do too much at once. But I'm mainly excited about this keyboard. Like, I used to play all the time, and then I kind of grew out of it because I got tired of like them little 60, 70 key keyboards. Like, I want the full keyboard. I want like a piano. But yeah, that's another thing I'm trying to work on. Not trying to do too much at one time. Taking care of tasks one by one rather than trying to like cram too much at the same time. A part of this like whole self-discovery journey for me, I think it has to do with the fact that I did go to a Christian school. My family was religious growing up, but they didn't like force it on me, so I did have freedom. But I went to a Christian school that was like very restrictive, and I stayed at that school until I graduated. So I first started like my channel on here, I kind of feel like I couldn't fully be myself. Now, since it's like I'm grown, like I got a life to live, like I just want to do everything, but I don't know, that's just Sagittarius in me. Alright you guys, so my whole head is done, as you could probably tell. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse, stretch my hair. I'm gonna give y'all the final look so we can see what it looks like. I actually have somewhere to be. I'm really late, so the next shot will probably be the finished result. Alright, so boom. So this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys can see like a difference in shape and like thickness in my hair. Honestly, feel like with my undercut, my hair shape kind of looks a little bit more round. I'm used to my hair having like a heart shape, first of all. But second of all, let's get into this thickness. Like, y'all, I got a lot of hair now. I got a lot of hair now. See that? Ooh. 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 Damn, I was concerned about flaking too. Where are the flakes at? Huh? I'm so glad I filmed this video, not only for you guys, but for myself, just so that I can see, like, just the progress that I'm making. Because I feel like, let me know if y'all can relate. I feel like I never really notice the growth in my hair, not like physical growth, but just improvement in health as well. I don't really notice that, I guess because I kind of see my hair like every day. I'm playing with it every single day, so it's not one of those things where it's just like I can take my eyes off of it for a few weeks and check it and then see the results. Yo, these curls are popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready. Very interested to see like what my hair looks like later on in the week, because usually, y'all, my wash and goes, the curls, they get looser throughout the week. So I want to see just how full my hair will get. It'll probably be like to here if I let it. Stay tuned. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what y'all think. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope we were able to connect. I hope you guys feel a little bit closer to me. I hope anything I said in this video just kind of like helps y'all or gives you inspiration. Someone was watching another one of my chit chat videos and they were like, he's literally giving me therapy. Like, that's how I want y'all to feel. Like, yes, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.